How to track your orders on Temu. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can track your orders that you have placed on Temu. So let's get started. First, open up your Temu app. If you don't have the Temu app, you can simply download it from App Store or Play Store, or you've already have it, you can simply update it. After you've done that, just open it up and this is the initial page of Temu. Now, if you have shopped recently from Temu and want to know where the orders is right now, you can track it by going to U section on the bottom, and there you will see your orders section. Tap on your orders, and right here you will get an option that says self-service to find order. So select that, and after you select that, all you need to do is type in your phone number that you have used while placing the order. After you've done that, you can simply tap on find order and it will show you where your order is. The other ways to find your order is by using your email or your order ID or even your payment information. So you can select the one that you want and find your order. And that is basically it, guys. That is how you track your orders on Temu. Thanks for watching.